SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2. Imagine you own a pet shop. You have beer, mated by a school to give a speech to the teachers and students. The topic is factors to consider when getting a pet. Now write your speech. Use the following notes in your speech. Pets make good and entertaining companions. Responsible job that demands time and attention. Factors to consider. Place and type of home you live in. Plays key role in choosing the right pet. Animals have unique feeding habits and space requirements. Type of home to build. Can be a cage or a kennel. Can you afford the pet of your choice? Monetary expenses involved. Food, accommodation and medical care.
When writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. End your speech by thanking the audience.
Model answer. Good morning, teachers and students. I am James Chong, from Modern Pet Shop. I am happy to be standing here to give a speech. The topic is factors to consider when getting a pet. As we all know, pets make good and entertaining companions. However, keeping a pet is a responsible job that demands considerable amount of time and attention. So before you decide to acquire a pet, there are various factors to consider. First, the place and type of home you live in plays a key role in choosing the right pet. Animals have unique feeding habits, space requirements, and interaction behavior. So before you get your pet, consider the type of place and home you live in. Next, find out also the type of home to prepare for your pet. It can be a cage or a kennel. In addition, check out if you can afford the pet of your choice. Pet care can be overwhelming in terms of monetary expenses involved. Pet food, accommodation, and medical care do involve considerable expenses. If your pet is sick or injured, you have to take it to a veterinarian to get the necessary treatment and medication. You must keep in mind that our pets depend on us for their very existence. Therefore, we must be ready to make that long-term commitment to their well-being. It is wrong to acquire a pet on an impulse. Nor do we allow others to influence us into acquiring a pet we are not certain about. I am sure some of you are thinking of getting pets. So you should find my speech helpful. Thank you for listening.
Unique, special, overwhelming, have a great effect. Acquire, buy. Unique, special, overwhelming, have a great effect. Acquire, buy.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.